So how do we avoid HMO management issues? Well, there is one word which is going to solve all of your HMO management problems, which is proactivity. Now, proactivity, when it comes to managing the property, is so important, but it's the same when it comes to managing the people in the property. So we view there being two completely different sides to management. There's proactive approach to managing the property and the proactive approach to managing the people living in the property. So let's take that first point of managing the property. So if you put in a proactive maintenance schedule over 12 months or 24 months, you're going to know exactly how much it's going to cost you and when, and you can negotiate the rates down because you're booking in a plumber 3 months in advance rather than, on the day in paying emergency rates. So as long as you've got that schedule in advance, you can really make a big dent in the potential unforeseen costs of what is going to be going on at your property. Then we're looking at managing the people. So we use what we call our co-living approach, because what we do is create a community and get people to actually speak to each other within the property. Because when people get on and they like each other and they can communicate, they're going to stay a lot longer because they love where they live. So our co-living approach has got 8 elements to it, ranging from how we captivate the right tenant into our house. And also making sure that we listen to them at all the times, and we're feeding back and we're fixing things and problems before they become major issues. But also we're trying to encourage putting the right people together through common interests, through nurturing the relationships within the house, and then finally by putting on great gatherings which really get people talking. One quick tip is, as soon as a new housemate moves in, then why don't you just send them a pizza or a takeaway and say to all the housemates, go and meet your new housemate, who is your new potential friend. You'll be living together for at least 6 months, if not, hopefully longer. So those are the key things to get right when looking at your HMO management, and just remember that one word, proactivity. So if you found that valuable, please hit the like button and then subscribe to our channel to get notified of when we drop new content. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.